Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. The sun is shining. It's another beautiful day out here on Santee. We're trying a new ramp today. Never been to this one before. We're gonna try to find some trees to get up in and see if we can get busy up in there, man. I wanted to go back to where I was launching at in previous videos, and that ChatterBait bite was on fire, but I want to try something different. So here we are. Y'all come along with me, let's have some fun.
Come on, Nick.
Girl built like an anvil, boy. We're gonna make a good little trek. I don't know, maybe about a mile or two to get to where I want to start fishing at. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, let's go that way. We'll go that way, fish up in these trees a little bit, see if we can find something out there. And if not, then we'll come back and fish the other way. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get there. So far, I'm not liking the vibes I'm getting right now, man. The vibes I'm getting right now is there's a lot of carp back here and there's a lot of gar back here. Not really seeing nothing, man. There's a lot of grass back here too. A lot of grass, and there's a lot of pads back here. So I mean, that's like stuck. That could be a good thing that there was actually fish in these pads and grass. I turned on my landscape mode, and I'm not sure how it's supposed to look. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to make it a little brighter so you can see it. I'm not sure if I got it on right. I'll never know. I gotta go do some research on it first. See, but that's the landscape. And you can see all this is grass, patches of grass. So I ain't really see nothing in that thing. Ain't seen nothing on that. We're gonna keep pitching this jig around. We'll pedal around some more. I'm gonna get this place probably about another hour, and then I'm gonna make a beeline somewhere else. I don't know where, but not here. Oh yeah. Yeah. So we was getting ready to leave. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Oh man. Yeah, that's a good one. Say hey. We switched to the jackhammer. I lost the Evo, so we put the jackhammer on, man. And I almost lost that fish. It ran right underneath the boat on the other side. That's a good fish. We're gonna get weight and measurement, man. Because today we got time. So let's do that. Okay, where'd this little girl go? 18 3/4. 18 3/4, 3.5 pounds, I'd say. I imagine she's about 3.5. Of course, the battery's dead. Whatever. All right. No weight, but good fish. Solid little fish, man. We appreciate you, little girl. All right, let's get it out of here. Whew. Yeah, I was getting ready to bail out of here, man, because I was like, hey, I ain't getting no bites. Keep seeing all these carp and junk fish running around here. So, we ready to pull out. It was actually headed back. I mean, we are headed out. So, we still gonna go out. But, yeah, man. Nice little fish. We'll take that one for the first fish of the day. If that's the only one, I have to be happy with that, I guess. Alright, guys. That is gonna do it for me. I'm getting up out of here, man. I've overstayed my welcome on one fish. And couldn't get bit again 3-4 hours later, so I'm gonna get it up out of here, man. It should be a short video. Depends on how I edit it. I should make it pretty short. I got one catch, man. I talked a little bit to y'all. Anyway, see y'all on the next video, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment, and I'll get back to y'all as always. Y'all take it easy, man.